I'm Isabel. Whoa, Jesus. I used to love putting on makeup. It's been a solid 8 years since I was like... My collection is a lot smaller than it used to be because you gotta throw out some stuff. Makeup does not last forever. I'm just gonna kinda dig in and see what happens. See if I can get some creative juices flowing. First of all, I need to pin my bangs back. Okay, there's really no cute way to do this. Okay, that's... Well, I mean, that's only 1/2 of it, so I shouldn't get too excited. That's not too bad, right? I've seen worse on myself, so it's fine. I'm just gonna go in with this. I think I just do 4 drops normally, and I just start to put that on my face like it's lotion. I don't use regular foundation. It never looked good. I always looked worse. I was actually talking to my brother's girlfriend about hair on your face making everything sit not as great. That was not a good sentence, I apologize. If you have hair on your face, which we all do because we're freaking human beings, it just doesn't make the foundation look as pretty. It kind of sits on top of the hair. I probably just have a lot of that peach fuzz. So whenever I put on foundation, it just didn't look that good, and then it made me break out, so why would I do that? Okay, next up, I'm gonna use Glossier Stretch Concealer in... Okay, I can't see it because I cleverly covered it with a sticker to make it look really cute. I think it was light because I wanted to combat my dark circles. But right now, I'm just gonna use this on my pimple. Yeah. I was at dinner last week. My grandpa sat on my pimple side, and the first thing he did, before he even said hello, was just poke it and say, "What's that?" And I was like, boy, you were like, what, 80? You know what that is. I noticed from a young age, sometimes it's better just to not cover it because if you cover it badly, you're just drawing so much more attention to it. If you do a really bad job and it looks like mine does now, don't do it, you know? Everyone's gonna judge you because you're 13 and life sucks. Life does not suck when you're... Okay, just get through it. It'll be fine. Now, I think I will set this with my Wowder in the shade Light Medium, and I also have the brush. I'm just gonna boop, boop, boop. Oh my god, I do not know how to put powder on my face. I actually don't really own any bronzer at the moment. I never was one for sculpting my face. I think I kind of dipped out before that became super popular. Next up, I want to use my blush. So this is so old. Dusk Cloud Paint from Glossier. I'm just gonna open this up and put a little droplet on my middle finger. I'm gonna put this on the apples of my cheeks. And just leave it like that. Rub it in. That's pretty. This is nice. Okay, don't get too excited. I think I'm gonna use my Benefit High Beam. Put it on my cheekbones, and then people like to do it on their nosies. Here, maybe a little here. My parents are watching basketball downstairs, so I'm trying to be like kind of quiet. I'll be like, "What are you doing?" And I'll be like, "You don't get it, Mom, it's not a face." The camera is watching me out. I'm using my iPhone. I have like fluorescent... Okay, I just looked at the light bulbs. I have fluorescent lighting, I think. I don't freaking know, I'm tired. So this is like not good lighting. It doesn't really show you what it looks like, but you know, actually looks pretty good, I would say. This is so much fun. I really like this, and I've barely even done anything. Let's have some fun with the brow. I had a long journey with my brows. I had a unibrow when I was younger. It wasn't that bad. I started waxing it and I started tweezing it myself. By the time I was in 7th grade, my brows started here. They were maybe 1/3 of the size. It was pretty bad, but now I'm actually quite happy with them. I wanted to find my brows today. I don't want to just, oh, whoopsies. I'm like sitting in a straddle because right in front of me is drawers. It's a look. This is what this looks like. I think I've had it since my freshman year of college, so that's 3 years now. I'm just gonna put a lighter color in the front of my... Okay, where the heck am I doing this? Obviously, I'm doing a great job since I'm so up close and personal. Can totally see what I'm doing. Yeah, that... Sure. Let's do the other side. I'm just gonna take the darker color, and I'm gonna go into the outer half of my... the outer half of my eyebrow. For my eyebrows, since they're so thick, I really like to stay within the lines and not overdo it too much. Okay. What is that? I'm just gonna go in with this thingy. This feels really blocky. For shadows, I got a palette from ColourPop. This is one of their palettes. Oopsies. I also have Coastal Scents. Oh my god, Coastal Scents used to be so popular. Okay, well, I had 4, but now I only have 2. One's the Metal Mania palette, and I haven't looked at this in a little while. It has so many colors. I have the Warm palette, also by Coastal Scents. One side it has like really warm. Oh shit. I also have this glow kit from Anastasia. This also has some really beautiful highlights. I think I wore Pink Heart the other day. I just like slapped it on my cheekbone and called it a day. Okay, I have hazel eyes, and I think that best color to bring out the hazel, crap, what is it? Is it pink or is it purple or is it literally any color? I don't know. I'm gonna stick with my new purchase. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started on the eyes. Or do I want to do with these? You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna do a pink look with this Metal Mania palette. And I don't really have many brushes, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the sponge tip applicator. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this like really light beige but slightly pink color. Put it on my lid, see what happens. You know, may as well just use my finger because this is gonna take forever. Yeah, that's way better. Yeah? I'm filming a makeup tutorial. You what? I'm filming a makeup tutorial. Alright, well, it's on there. It just doesn't show. That's fine. I'm gonna take this MAC 224 brush, which is the blending brush. What is this speaking to me? I'm actually really feeling this gray. Just gonna totally change what I said I was gonna do. I'm just gonna bring it like a windshield wiper motion on my crease. The fallout is redonkadonk, but I mean, this palette was $20, I think, and it has so many colors in it, and they're actually pretty well pigmented. I think it's still doing a pretty good job. Okay, I tried to keep that in, but it just couldn't stay in. Okay. It's not my best work. I'm now gonna go in with this pencil brush. I'm gonna take this like dark navy-ish color. I'm just gonna put this on my outer V of my eye. Okay. Kind of like to blend it into the lash line. Up. I can't tell if I look good or if I just got punched in the face. Yeah, definitely punched in the face. I'm blending everything together now. We can save this, it's fine. Another light goldish shade on my lid. Let's see what that does. Oh, ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna take this angled brush again, go in with this color again, I guess, because I just kind of committed to it. Put it on the lower lash line. Okay, the fallout is getting into my eyeball. Okay, we're good. I'm just gonna blend this out. So I guess that'll be done. It doesn't feel right. I feel like I'm better than this. Maybe I'll bring some bronze into it. Wait, my eyes are watering from the fallout. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my palette and just take Blue Ice, which is this kind of words. It's just like this whitish color with a bit of like a blue shimmer to it. It's actually so pretty, my god. I don't believe I have liner anymore because I think I threw it out because it was old. I'm not trying to like give myself another style. I guess we'll just move on to mascara. I'm going to curl the lashes with my Revlon eyelash curler. I'm suppressing so many burps. Not that one. Alright, that looks good. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the lower. Okay. I mean, this really could be worse, so I'll take it. Now there's just one more step. Gotta do lipstick. You know what? Let's go full vamp. I'm feeling full vamp. I always feel so weird putting on lipstick. This is like not... Okay. All right, well, this looks awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna take my hair down. I took a shower today, so it smells delicious. These bangs. Oh no, now they're like parted down the middle. These are not gonna cooperate with me, but whatever, it's fine. I could even do, oh my god, this smells so good. Especially when my hair's shorter, I'll just take a little bit like that and pin that up. Do I want to do that side? No, not too much. All right, cool. Yay. This is my completed makeup look. Okay, I literally cannot see. This is why I'm getting my bangs cut tomorrow, because I cannot see a thing. That was my video, and wait, I should probably like have like a closer. See my pimple. And if I had some eyeliner, I would do a fun wing, but I don't, so